This is In Case You Missed It, your national agriculture news recap for the week ending December 20, 2024. The Canadian Food Inspection Agency announced this week that a cow at an Alberta processor had tested positive for bovine tuberculosis. The CFIA has since traced the animal back to a herd in Saskatchewan. That herd has been quarantined for further testing, and the CFIA will also investigate to find any herds with ties to the infected animal. Isolated cases of bovine TB have popped up across Western Canada throughout the past decade, the most recent in late 2022 and 2023, when an infected animal slaughtered in the US traced to a herd in Saskatchewan. Canada remains officially free of bovine tuberculosis. Agriculture Canada insists work will go forward on its sustainable agriculture strategy, this despite losing the support of 6 major agricultural groups: the Canadian Canola Growers Association, Canola Council of Canada, Cereals Canada, Grain Growers of Canada, Pulse Canada, and Soy Canada put out a statement this week saying they had concerns about the strategy and had decided to step back. The groups cited a lack of alignment over the targets and actions proposed within the strategy. A spokesperson for the Minister of Agriculture said farm groups had every opportunity to make their voices heard. With the federal Liberals on shaky ground, it remains to be seen if the strategy will make it to the finish line. Right to repair advocates say owners should be able to do what they want with a machine they bought and paid for. But could that access leave digital systems vulnerable? It might. Cybersecurity expert Brennan Schmidt said farmers will use duct tape and baler twine if needed to keep machinery going. But with today's advanced equipment, that approach could accidentally break digital systems. Most manufacturers haven't allowed owners unfettered access to machine CPUs, in what John Deere called a delicate balance between security and usability. However, this means farmers sometimes can't diagnose and fix even simple issues. Schmidt said manufacturers will eventually have to grant more access, so they should be proactive and find ways to do so safely. In case you missed these and other stories, visit the Glacier Farm Media Network, news that matters to farmers across Canada.